Here I have a Khan Academy problem from simplifying expressions with exponents, and I have q to the fourth cubed divided by q to the fifth times r to the fourth to the fifth. I have two properties going on here, so if you look at your reference sheet, you'll see the two properties. The first one I identify as the power to a power property. So I have a power to a power property both in the numerator and in the denominator. So q to the fifth r to the fourth is raised to the fifth power, so we have power to a power. Q to the fourth cubed is, q to the fourth is raised to the third power, so we have a power to a power again. So using our power to a power property, we are going to multiply those exponents. So now we have q to the 4 times 3 in the numerator, and q to the 5 times 5 in the denominator, r to the 4 times 5 in the denominator. So we're going to go ahead and simplify that. So that equals q to the 12th over q to the 25th, r to the 20th. However, Khan Academy wants everything in the numerator, so we have to move the green numbers to the numerator. That is done using our quotient of powers property, which means we subtract the exponents in the denominator from the exponents in the numerator. So now that we've done that, there are two things to notice. We have q to the 12 minus 25. So the 25 came up, we subtracted it. We have r to the negative 20. Notice there was no r in the numerator. So when the r came up, all we did was change the positive 20 from the denominator into a negative 20 in the numerator. So we have r to the negative 20 in the numerator. We took that from r to the 20 in the denominator. Let's simplify our q, and we'll be done. 12 minus 25 is negative 13. So I have q to the negative 13, r to the negative 20, and this is going to be my final answer. So let me circle that in light blue. This right here, this is my final answer. I'll put these numbers, negative 13 and negative 20, I'll put those numbers into Khan Academy, click submit, I'll get it right. So the first property we used was power of a power property. I wrote power to a power property, it's power of a power property. The second one we used was the quotient of a power property. That happened right here where we started after we had finished our power of a power property. So starting right here, we had our quotient of a power property, and we subtracted the exponents. So I hope this is a helpful example. If you have further questions, let me know.